Breaking news coming in. Karnataka government has decided to ban crackers this festive season. Chief Minister Yediyurappa has announced that crackers have been banned, keeping in mind the pandemic. That's the latest coming in. Karnataka government goes ahead and bans firecrackers in the state of Karnataka this festive season. This is an announcement coming in from Chief Minister Yediyurappa. Nolan is now joining us for the very latest on this. Nolan, is this decision coming in keeping in mind the coronavirus pandemic that is going on?
Well, Chaiti, the Chief Minister, when he actually stated that both the sale as well as the bursting of crackers will be banned or prohibited is because of COVID-19. He said that keeping this in mind, keeping the pandemic in mind, he would not want people to suffer. And also we must understand, now yesterday, Dr. Sudhakar, in fact, the Health Minister did give out hints on this particular ban. He said that the Chief Minister will take a decision. He also said that experts have informed the government that 5% of the people who have recovered have chances of getting reinfected once more. So keeping all this in mind, the Karnataka government has now taken this decision well in advance before the festival and before people actually go out and purchase Deepavali crackers.
Absolutely. Leave it at that. Thanks so much for getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest right there. Nolan, Karnataka government banning firecrackers in the state, citing the reasons of COVID pandemic.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.